LibLingo's mission is to make language learning simple but effective, and most of all, fun. LibLingo will be your guide, taking it one day at a time to help you make huge strides in your language learning through use of our videos and our tips. LibLingo's language learning expertise will help you achieve all your goals. We will provide you with invaluable LibLingo tips on how to learn English and other languages in the most natural and efficient way. Nature is always best, and through nature we learn our mother tongue. LibLingo will help you learn your second, third, fourth, etc. language in the very same way and at zero cost to you. If your desire is to start speaking the language straight away, then you are in the right place. Speaking languages other than our own can broaden our understanding of different cultures. Find our videos on our website or on our YouTube channel.